23. Find the indicated angles in the figure below. We see that A is parallel to B. So I'm going to fill in around. I'm going to use parallel lines with Z-meisters. I'm going to look for triangles. So the first thing I see is I notice here's a parallel line down the transversal to the other parallel line. This corner is 40, so this is 40. Now those are alternate interior angles, or we like to say Z-meisters. So I know number 2 is 40 degrees. Looking at the other things, what do we see? Do we see any other bits? Well, I see a line. Let me erase this. So we have that 40. We know that's 40. I see a line here, okay, parallel line, up the transversal to the other parallel line, another Z-meister. So I know that corner is 70. Now, if I have 70 there and 50 here, what do you see? I see a triangle. 70 and 50 adds up to 120, so this is going to be 60. Its vertical will be 60. Its linear pair 120 right there and 120 right there. So we now know angle 3 is 120 degrees. And finally, if we come in here trying to find 1 down here, well, again, you have a parallel line down a transversal, and that way the Z-meister. So we know we have 50 degrees here, meaning 1 has to be 130, and I have found all that they are asking. Notice I did most all of that with using the Z-meisters, using the transversals that are connecting the 2 parallel lines and then making a Z out of it, figuring out those are alternate interior angles. They're going to always match, and also use the idea of triangles adding up to 180 degrees, all the angles in a triangle adding up to 180.